These are the KLDOLLAR tree trimmers. They're kind of like mini loppers. You can see right here. They're about 15 inches long and super lightweight. They weigh 1 pound. Metal handles on here with a nice textured rubber grip, kind of like you get on the end of tools sometimes. It's been put together pretty well. Really solid. The gears work flawlessly so far. We've got about a 1 1/8 inch opening on here, maybe a little wider if you're slicing through the tree on the way in. Stuff makes easy work of smaller bushes, smaller tree limbs, that kind of thing. Obviously, if you've got something over 1 1/8 inch, it's not going to fit in there, so it's not going to work. But this would be great for brush, that kind of stuff. We've got some smaller stuff here, just easily cuts through it like it's nothing. This is kind of a larger one right here. This is about 3/4 of an inch through. Just cuts right through there. And nice clean cut on there. Pretty nice, lightweight mini loppers. I like them. 15-inch tree trimmers.